Welcome to Yachting Hub Miami, the Yacht and Boat Spotter channel. Today's video, yacht spotting at the famous Haulover Beach sandbar near Haulover Inlet. We caught up with my friends and partners from Yacht Jericho charters and flew our drone to capture images and video for our social media accounts. In this awesome hookup we had the famous Jericho, a 94 feet Pershing super yacht, followed by an awesome array of yachts. One big one that stands out is Yonkagurus, the incredible 108-man Gusta super yacht. Keep on watching to find out more about this outstanding yachts. Remember that if you like yachts, super yachts and mega yachts, subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. The 33 meters 108 feet 3 inches open yacht Yonkagurus X African Cat was built by Overmarine in Italy. This luxury vessel's exterior design is the work of Stefano Regini and she was last refitted in 2008. Yonkagurus has been designed to comfortably accommodate up to 8 guests in 4 suites comprising 2 VIP cabins. She is also capable of carrying up to 5 crew on board to ensure a relaxed luxury yacht experience. Built with a GRP hull and GRP superstructure, with teak decks, she has impressive speed and great efficiency thanks to her planing hull. Powered by twin diesel MTU, 12 volts 4000 M90, 12-cylinder 2,800 horsepower engines, she comfortably cruises at 32 knots, reaches a maximum speed of 37 knots with a range of up to 400 nautical miles from her 13,000-liter fuel tanks at 32 knots. Her low draft of 1.3 meters/4 feet 3 inches makes her prime for accessing shallow areas and cruising close to the shorelines. Her water tanks store around 2,000 liters of fresh water. Information provided by the Yacht Charter Fleet, the industry's top luxury yacht charter marketplace. Are you wondering about the paint job on Yonkagurus? Recently the yacht was transformed into a work of art by famous artist Diogo Snow, making the yacht a Miami icon. This yacht is available for charter. Contact us for more information. Yacht Jericho 5, the awesome Pershing 94 yacht designed by Pininfarina of Ferrari, powered by Rolls-Royce, driven by fun. When you are looking for the ultimate party yacht or even an elegant dinner on the water, the Pershing yachts are the pinnacle of quality, craftsmanship, and engineering. Yacht Jericho is the only yacht in Miami that has an outdoor nightclub and overhead beam spotlight, as well as its many other features that make it the celebrity's choice of yachts. Not every boat is equal. Pershing yachts are renowned for their quality and craftsmanship, not to mention being one of the fastest yachts on the water. Why go for second best when you can pick the best? Information provided by yachtjericho.com. Well guys, I hope you like this informative video on a few of the yachts that are available for charter here in Miami. I will be bringing you more content like this in the near future. Maybe now it is a good time to hit the subscribe button, leave me a comment below and share my content with friends. I'll see you next time and thanks for watching. Have a great day.